Julius. Hi, Anastasia. This is Nana, and I thought you would be interested to see the big backhoe that's carving out chunks of land from our lake so that they can build a brand new wall around Lake Martin. And the next time you come to visit us, you'll see how pretty they've made it look. But I thought that you might enjoy seeing this giant backhoe hard at work. You can see it scoop up the earth and pick it up and move it around and all kinds of interesting things. And sometimes you'll hear it beeping too when it backs up. Hear the beeping? It's bright orange, and you can see all the workmen are wearing yellow vests so they can be seen by the driver, so that they don't get buried by the ground that's been scooped up. So I hope you enjoy seeing the big machines that we have working on our lake. Lake Martin is going to be brand new by the time you come to visit us. Right now, they've drained the water out of it. I'm going to turn and let you see the rest of Lake Martin. And you'll see that it rained a bit, so there are little puddles of water here and there. And at the very, very far end, all the way up there, is a dam that keeps it from flooding down onto the streets. Okay, let's take another look at that great big crane and stuff. Great big machine, orange machine.